Tipper, where's Santa?
They saw him last
Where's
night.
Santa? Is he outside? Tell him to come inside. Where is he? He must have left. You weren't a good dog this year. Sorry.
He saw him last night.
Well, he must not have wanted to come back after he met you the first time. Come on, Tipper, let's open presents. Come
Whatever.
on.